Okay, so hey, I wanted to make a video of just my old Overwatch content, basically. Like just a bunch of mishmash. Just like make a montage of everything, because Overwatch, I'm not gonna deny it, like Overwatch is where I grew on Twitch the most. Like that's where I like gained most of my following, and I'm really grateful for that, like for the people that stayed, even though I'm not playing Overwatch anymore, even though I quit. But I was just done with the game, but Overwatch 2 piqued my interest. Because like I still do play like Overwatch off stream sometimes and just like casually, but my problem with Overwatch 1 was definitely the lack of content and the lack of changes. But Overwatch 2 is, you know, back to regular like content. So I'm very intrigued of playing Overwatch again, like Overwatch 2. But yes, I just wanted to make a video to say goodbye to Overwatch 1 and maybe, you know, close that chapter officially. And who knows, maybe open another one. So, yeah. Anyways, onto the video.
Oh my god, welcome back to my...
Oh my god, qu'est-ce que je fais, qu'est-ce que je fais? Hey.
How are you doing? How are you doing tonight?
Doing good, how about you?
Attack commences in 30
Yeah,
seconds.
it's okay.
Describing your work as unethical would be a
He
kindness.
has
But the true question is whether or not you can deny my discoveries.
a voice.
No.
Oh my god, yes. What the fuck?
Oh my god, yes! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, Carrie!
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Hi.
You scared the shit out of me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Homophobia.
How are
I don't
you?
know. I'm very good. I think I got corona actually.
Oh, well, I hope
Bye.
you stay inside and stay safe, you know?
In Sweden,
Bye.
you can't stay inside. I have work and school, and I can't do
Oh.
anything to cancel.
Got Anna. Got Anna. What? Ash. Not me not knowing her name. Okay.
Know about the
Okay, you don't need to throw shade like that. What did you do? You shattered into a Sigma shield.
I
You
really
died
hate
to
your
a
act.
diva bomb as a
Crickets.
Reinhardt. Why are you
Crickets.
speaking a thing? Yeah.
do you think Moira Orb is OP?
So bad.
Sorry?
Do you think Moira Orb is OP? Like, do you think it should be removed?
Moira or?
Yep.
No, she's not OP.
Alright, then you clearly don't know a lot about the game.
We still have Farah, by the way. DPS, are you in the voice?
Oh my god.
Yeah, she is in voice and the Symmetra and she can hear you, but she's not gonna swap. What about it?
Okay.
Yeah, just chat and play.
Are you gay?
Yeah,
It's okay.
I know.
You need to go in the room.
I hear. Right there. No, come in, fuck it. I killed the, Sim, no! Get! I'm fucked. No, I'm not. I heal. Moving away. I know, Get! Where's the loot? Walk is moving with me. You win this, come on. Recover, come on.
After duty killing every single one.
Oh my god.
Mora, how much do you like James Charles?
Just because we're gay doesn't mean we like James Charles.
Yeah, you do, dude. Yeah,
That
you
doesn't
do.
work.
No, that's a fact.
Oh my god, how obsessed are you with James Charles?
The
The fact that you even know James Charles, that's kinda gay.
No, that is joking because of the drama.
That's kind of
why
gay.
know.
It's not funny.
No, it's about general culture, so I know how to, Imagine
How?
I didn't know that.
James Charles is general culture?
We have 500 viewers. Thank you all for coming today. I have a lot to announce. For example, if you guys enjoyed Diablo, make sure to download Raid Shadow Legends. They're both amazing games. Yeah.
Question, like, is it possible if you're totally gay? I mean, not offensive, but you sound like it.
Yeah. What about it?
Yeah, I'm just asking because I was
Sister,
curious.
help
You
me.
sound like if you're speaking to your nose, like.
I mean, at this point, the only thing that was running through my mind is to beat his ass up.
Yeah, and what's wrong with that?
No, I'm just asking.
Maybe just take care of your gameplay and
Yeah,
not
because I want
everyone's
to know if I get
personality.
this right.
Sister, that is me.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Let's go. Come on here. I don't know how to get it.
Sure, I need to myself. I guess
Love
not.
you. Oh my god, the horse cock. Thank you so much. I didn't notice your username.
Bonsoir.
Get out. Oh my god, girl. Zone.
Besties.
Oh, Hashi, hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello.
I finished like an hour ago.
Oh.
Oh my god, hi,
How was
Hoshi.
it?
30 minutes ago.
Oh! Thank you so much for the follow, Heidi. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I love you.
Il please behind me head. Echo.
Echo's behind.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
I'm dead.
Okay, we gotta do Super Bowl. Oh my god, I can't die. Please, I can't aim! Oh my god, can you res me? Resing of views. Oh my god.
Can't kill Anna.
No, not Doomfist, please.
I'm not dead.
Oh, hold on.
Nice, you can do this. I'm coming.
Oh my god.
Point.
Stay on point. Oh my god, thank you so much for the follow. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh my god, hold on, please. Please, what is happening? I don't know what's happening, please. I need to focus. Hold on, please.
That
was not it. What the fuck is happening?
What the
What is happening?
god.
Thank you all so much for the follow. What's happening? Oh, she raided me? Ah! Oh, we gotta go. Oh my god, Ariana Grande? Ariana Grande! Ariana Grande! Oh my god. Ah! Wow. That was a periodical.
I vouched for that. Oh fuck. Oh,
Please, I'm dealing with a Pharah like shooting at me. I have to aim. Like, how do people play Baptiste? Oh my god. It's like my brain cells. They're not like. Oh my god. They're not functioning. Get out of here! Get out of here! You sexy, ugly incels.
I'm gonna solo
Sexy? Sexist. Please.
Oh wow.
He's gonna shatter now. I think. Oh my god, I don't know. Oh my god, he's totally gonna shatter. 100.
Yo.
I can't.
The fade.
Oh my god.
My face are so skinny. Oh! Okay, Lucio. Please, please stop moving. Please stop moving. Please stop moving.
Watch. Wait. Nano boost. Oh my god. Nano boost does 50%. Ability does 100%. Mercy does 30%. Super charge does 60%.
God. Oh, he's behind.
Oh, I somehow dodged him. Dodged the bullet. Hey. Alright, thank you, bestie.
The way I flew into the trash.
Oh, by the way, I almost faded. Oh!
Oh.
My god!
Hello, Six. Take a die.
Don't think about it.
Where's the game? That's down, Mercy.
Told you, no need to try your
Edgar, congrats! She's diamond. Yeah.
That's my way. Do it
She's diamond. Leave her alone. No one talk to her.